I made my wooden workbench and I had all of these offcuts. I wanted to decide what to do with it because they're quite small. Well, I thought let's make some pencils out of this. Not just any type of pencils, but with ruler markings so that I can use them for any of the wood turning that I'm doing. Welcome to Dim Tips, the channel that revives, repairs and restores. Please don't forget to subscribe to get videos just like this. So I use my ruler to mark 10 mil between each of the intersections. I'm going to carve out certain lines so that I can use this as my ruler markings. One side of the pencil is going to be straight lines, and then the other side is going to just have some drill holes. Here's me marking the other side of the pencil. I will eventually cut this larger dowel into two sections so that I end up having two pencils. So I've got the lines and I've got the holes that have been drilled through. I'm just filling this in now with some green crayon and my soldering heat gun. Now I'm just drilling the center hole where the actual pencil will go in. I actually put a little bit of PVC or wood glue into there. I hadn't made the pencil too long, just enough for me to draw and carve out. I really am interested in the ruler side. So I finish it up by just adding a little bit of oil over the top, and it came out great. So you can see the ones with the holes and the ones with the lines. So I've got my two pencils. I also then just used a knife to actually carve it out. I didn't have a sharpener big enough to actually handle it. Just worked well enough with a knife that I had. Please don't forget to check out any of my other woodworking videos or any of the repair ones. And please don't forget to subscribe if you've not already done so.